Here we have a NOKIA X30, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google search on this device. This is two ways to do it, by Google Lens and by your web browser. I will start from this Google Lens way, so we have to go to the gallery and choose the photo what you want to search in the Google. If you choose it, just click on Lens, and how you can see, now Google looking for similar photos. Okay, this is the Google Lens way. Now I will show you a web browser way. So we can close the incognito mode and now just go to the google.com. Okay, so you are at the google.com. So this is very important. You have to tap here and enable a desktop site. Here you can see this small camera icon appears and click on it. Now just click on the upload a photo, allow permissions, and choose the photo what you want to search. I choose that one again. And here you can see Google again looking for a similar photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, visit our website, and goodbye.